Binance is showing $78.16 million. Upbet follows with $70.17 million, and others are climbing too. Most platforms are flashing green with inflows, with the exception of XRP's prices ticking upward as buying momentum returns. Grab your XRP and other cryptos using the link down in the description. We're seeing trading volume picking up again. Last week marked a record-breaking moment for XRP futures, their highest trading day yet, landing perfectly on their 60-day milestone. That's 2 full months, and interestingly, the number 6 pops up again. The growth is undeniable. Let's break down the numbers. As of July 18, 2025, we saw 108,000 contracts traded minus 1 plus 8 equals 9, a number that keeps resurfacing. Notional volume hit $3.1 billion, bringing the number 13 into the mix. And the XRP equivalent traded was 49.6 million, which gives us 13.6. That's the 13 and 6 showing up once again. There's clearly a recurring numerology pattern surrounding Ripple and XRP. We've also seen an explosive surge in tokenized real-world assets, or WAs, on the XRP ledger, skyrocketing by a massive 2,260% since January, going from just $5 million to over $118 million. Right now we're talking about millions already. Tokenized on the XRPL, but the mission is clear: we're aiming for billions. And once we hit that milestone, expect XRP to reflect it with a major price move, eventually scaling from billions to trillions. And it's all happening at the perfect moment, with crypto prices climbing. Google searches for altcoins have hit their highest level in 4 years. That's a clear sign retail investors are making a comeback. Historically, this is when the 1% start pulling in the crowd, using retail as exit liquidity. Right now, we're watching the elite lure retail money back into the market. Like we've been saying, we're still watching for that 8-hour buy signal to lock in on this chart. Right now, there are about 5 hours left before this candle closes, and if it confirms, that'll trigger the signal we've been waiting for. Once that happens, we're planning to load up on even more XRP. From there, we're expecting a breakout past the $3.66 level. Take a look at this. Guys, XRP's Bitcoin trading pair is on the verge of breaking through a resistance line that's held strong for nearly 8 years. This isn't just any resistance level. This one's massive and absolutely crucial. Get a confirmed breakout, we could witness an explosive surge, even more powerful than the rally we saw back in November. And why? Because breaking an 8-tier wall isn't just rare, it's historic. We're potentially entering what I'd call the week of glory, and if things play out, XRP could go full parabolic from here. Also, don't forget the following week is shaping up to be another potential week of glory. So brace yourselves, because the next 2 weeks could bring some serious fireworks and price movement. And here's something interesting. Spotted another glitch, this time on GateHub. XRP wallets there are showing a price spike to $5.56. Yep, you heard that right. Now check this out. According to the golden ratio, specifically the 1.618 Fibonacci level, XRP is projected to reach a brand new all-time high on that exact marker. This points to a potential target of around $26.60. That's still roughly an 8 to 9 times gain from current levels, meaning there's still major upside ahead. Even at today's prices, the opportunity with XRP is huge. Right now, XRP appears to be mirroring its 2017 price pattern. If this cycle continues to play out the same way, we could be looking at a market peak around September. That means we might see a strong upward move from here all the way through the next couple of months. So when XRP breaks into double digits, it might be wise to lock in some gains. Just don't go overboard. Remember, we're still eyeing the possibility of XRP hitting triple digits later on. Back in 2017, XRP ranged for about 210 days before going absolutely parabolic, eventually reaching that $3.66 all-time high. The setup now? It's looking very similar. And to wrap things up, we've got a few more key dates to watch. These are based on the moon phase theory tied to the BG123 riddle. The next major windows to keep an eye on are August 15th, August 22nd. and September 9th. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys found it valuable and exciting.